Who's all in here? Ah! Are you guys doing a video?
Yep.
Everybody's here. The Sninkos are back. That's a cool camera.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Let's all get behind the bed. No, turn that off.
DJ, turn it up.
Okay, come on. Everybody come over here. Sit down.
I don't know where you are.
Okay, well, come here. Hop down. Hurry.
Is she still taking a poop?
I guess so.
Molly's taking a poop.
Oh, crap, we locked it.
Are we gonna do it?
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
Oh my god! Dad! She's like, little itch.
What are you doing?
What the hell?
We don't have one. Guys, okay.
What is that?
It's all year.
Why do I always feel like it? Better not go on any Facebook.
Diane, her mom, Angela. That's Rachel, Angela, Ashley. Everybody. Come on up. They need some advice on Star Wars.
Where's my part? I'm all down here alone.
It's your part now.
Come up here.
Do you want to do it?
No! I'm not
We're gonna be right here. You don't have to go in there and shut the door. You don't have
DJ, turn it up, DJ, turn it up,
What would you like to say to the public?
Oh, what do God say? Oh, hi, I'm Emily, and it's Thanksgiving, Turkey Day.
People are messing with voodoo dolls.
Yes,
Should we?
scary closets.
Oh my gosh.
Dad, we will show you.
This is a Rubik's Cube because our cousin figured out the Rubik's Cube because he's a genius.
I could never have done that. I can't even get one row.
Our cousin made this egg. What if I smashed it right now? He'd feel pretty bad.